Transform your Mazda driving experience with the P3 Bluetooth wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto USB adapter hub. This innovative retrofit solution, designed for Mazda 2, 3, 6, CX-30, CX-5, CX-8, CX-9, and MX-5 models, seamlessly integrates Apple CarPlay and Android Auto functionalities. Let's explore the features that make this hub a game-changer for Mazda enthusiasts. Bluetooth wireless Apple CarPlay. The P3 hub brings the convenience of Apple CarPlay to your Mazda without the need for any cables. Enjoy wireless connectivity, allowing you to access maps, messages, audio, and more, all seamlessly integrated into your Mazda's infotainment system. While Apple CarPlay is supported wirelessly, Android Auto functionality is achieved through a wired connection. Simply connect your Android device to the hub via USB for a reliable and seamless integration with your Mazda's entertainment system. The P3 hub is engineered to work seamlessly with Mazda's TK78669U0C system, ensuring a smooth integration process. Experience an OEM feel and performance with this retrofit hub. Expanded smartphone integration. Whether you're an Apple or Android user, the P3 hub accommodates both platforms, allowing you to choose the connectivity option that suits your preference. OEM look and feel. The retrofit hub seamlessly integrates into your Mazda's existing system, maintaining the OEM look and feel of your vehicle's interior. Enhanced infotainment features. Unlock a world of advanced infotainment features, including navigation, messaging, audio, streaming, and more, directly accessible from your Mazda's dashboard. Upgrade your Mazda driving experience with the P3 Bluetooth wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto USB adapter hub. This retrofit solution seamlessly integrates advanced connectivity features, providing Mazda enthusiasts with a convenient and enjoyable driving experience. Embrace the future of automotive technology in your Mazda, where wireless convenience meets OEM sophistication.